Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to solve the exercise of unit number 9. The name of the unit is The Story of Silk. First of all, answer the following question. Question number 1 is, where was silk discovered? The answer of this question is, silk was discovered in China. Next question, what did the girl who became an empress do to fill her time before she got married? She worked from dawn to night, surrounded by friends and family who exchanged news and gossip as they worked. Why was the empress sad? She missed her busy life and the company of her family and friends. What did the emperor do to make the empress happy? The emperor bought her grand clothes, jewels, and artifacts, threw elaborate parties, hired the best musicians of the land to amuse her. Where was the empress when she discovered silk, and what was she doing? She was in her garden when she discovered silk. She was sipping hot water at that time. What was the great idea that the empress had? The empress had the idea to use the threads from many silk cocoons to weave soft, strong cloth from them. These questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. How did the empress who discovered silk know how to weave? Because she belonged to the family of a weaver. What were the differences between the empress' life before and after she got married? Why did they make her sad? Before marriage, she spent a time in open countryside. She was very busy. She was always surrounded by friends and family, talking and working all day long. After marriage, she was confined to the palace. She did not have anything to do and nobody to talk to. Such big changes in her life made her sad. Answer the questions about this line from the story. But then she took a closer look and she saw some threads peeping out from the cocoon. First question, who took a closer look? The empress. Where was the cocoon? In the cup of hot water she had been drinking. How was she feeling at this time? Sad. What did she do after this? She pulled out the thread and a great idea to take the thread from many cocoon and weave soft, strong cloth from it. Take T-A-C-K, take T-A-K-E, take. To take the thread from many cocoon. Why is this an important moment in the story? This is the important moment when silk was discovered. Fill in the blanks. She dash sipped hot water from a cup. She slowly sipped. They had dash a fair amount of yarn. They had gathered a fair amount of yarn. The empress had a dash idea, great idea. She had hidden the cocoons in her long dash hair do. Elaborate. She had grown up in the dash open spaces, wide open spaces of the countryside. Challenge है, why do you think silk is such a special cloth? It is soft, strong, and bright, the best form of cloth. Next question है, all these words are in the story. Unscramble them. यहाँ पे ये वर्ड है हमारे पास और जब हम इसको अरेंज करते हैं तो ये हमारे पास वर्ड बनता है पीपिंग. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है इलेबोरेट, उसके बाद बेरिंग, उसके बाद वीवर, कोकोन और प्रिंसेस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखें, हाउ मैनी वर्ड्स कैन यू मेक फ्रॉम द लेटर्स इन द ईच ग्रेड बिलो. यू मस्ट यूज द मिडल लेटर इन ऑल द वर्ड्स यू मेक. एग्जाम्पल इन ग्रिड आर द लेटर्स आर वाई, आर, एस, टी, ई, टी, ई, वाई, ई, वाई, ई, एस, यस, डी, ए, आर, डियर, एस, ई, टी, सेट. मतलब ये कि जो मिडल लेटर होगा इसको आपने लेके चलना है और जो भी आप वर्ड बनाएंगे उसमें ये लेटर आना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ वर्ड्स बनाए हैं. जैसे सबसे पहले हमारे पास ग्रिड 1 है, तो इसमें जो ई है वो सेंट्रल वर्ड है. तो यहाँ पे देखें, वाई, ई, एस, यस, येट, यीस्ट, फ्रेट, रेड, रीड, सेट, सीट, सीड, टी, टीयर, टीज, ईस्ट, ईयर, डियर, डेट, एट, आर. नेक्स्ट देखिए, इसमें पी आ रहा है तो रेस्पाइट, टिप, ट्रिप, सिप, स्टेप, स्पायर, स्प्राइट, पेट, पेस्ट, पेस्टर, पीर. उसके बाद देखिए डब्ल्यू है सेंट्रल वर्ड, तो एव, स्वे, वे, वेंड, वेड, वाज, वेड, वेन, वीट, वेंट, वीन, यॉन, यू, न्यू, ड्यू. नंबर 3 पे देखें, गिवन बिलो आर द मीनिंग्स ऑफ सम वर्ड्स. कैन यू गेस देम. इन द पास्ट, प्रीवियसली, मोस्ट लवली, प्रीटीएस्ट, इन द वीक, वीकली. नेक्स्ट इज सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रीडिकेट. इसमें देखें सब्जेक्ट है द पुअर वुमेन सोब्ड. सब्जेक्ट क्या आएगा, जिसमें कोई काम करने वाला होगा और जो काम होगा वो क्या होगा, प्रीडिकेट हम उसको कहेंगे. डिवाइड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस इनटू देयर सब्जेक्ट्स एंड प्रीडिकेट. बर्ड्स फ्लाई इन द एयर. बर्ड्स क्या है, हमारे पास सब्जेक्ट है और प्रीडिकेट फ्लाई इन द एयर हमारे पास प्रीडिकेट है. नेक्स्ट, कारपेंटर्स मेक फर्नीचर. कारपेंटर हमारे पास सब्जेक्ट है और नेक्स्ट मेक फर्नीचर प्रीडिकेट है. द बॉयज सब्जेक्ट, रेन डाउन द रोड प्रीडिकेट. द गर्ल्स sang स्वीटली. द गर्ल्स सब्जेक्ट और sang स्वीटली प्रीडिकेट है. माई मदर वेंट टू हैदराबाद. माई मदर सब्जेक्ट, वेंट टू हैदराबाद प्रीडिकेट. बोथ माई ब्रदर्स मेक अ बॉक्स. बोथ माई ब्रदर्स, मेरे दोनों भाई, क्या है, सब्जेक्ट है एंड मेड अ बॉक्स प्रीडिकेट है. नेक्स्ट है यूजिंग द करेक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. सी इफ यू कैन कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग. यूज द वर्ड इन ब्रैकेट्स बट चेंज इट. येस्टरडे वी डैश इन द रिवर. स्विम, स्विम को हम स्वैम में चेंज करेंगे. वी स्वैम इन द रिवर. लास्ट नाइट आ थीफ डैश माई बाइसिकल. स्टील को स्टोल में बदलेंगे. लास्ट वीक माई मदर डैश सम न्यू क्लॉथ्स. बाय बाट में बदलेगा. येस्टरडे आई डैश हिम आ लेटर. सेंड, सेंट. My brother dash his friend home. Bring, bring, brought. लिसनिंग एंड स्पीकिंग में Your teacher will read a short passage. In it, a new teacher introduces herself. Read the question first, then listen and tick the correct answer for the question below. अच्छा जी, पैराग्राफ देखिए. माई न्यू टीचर. हेलो, माई नेम इज़ मिसिज ज़ेब. आई केम फ्राम सियालकोट इन पंजाब but have lived from the past 10 years in Islamabad. I completed my schooling at Cathedral High School and my higher studies at kindergarten college in Lahore. Um in my free time, when I am not teaching, I like to go traveling and I read a lot. I don't take part in sports but love to watch cricket on television. I also like old films. I sometimes eat Italian food such as spaghetti and pizza, but I dislike food that is so spicy. My favorite color is black. I hate red. G. What is the teacher's name? Mrs. Zabe. Where is teacher from? Sialkot. What was the name of the teacher's school? Cathedral High. What does the teacher like doing? Reading and traveling. What does the teacher watch on television? Cricket and old films. What does the teacher not like to eat? Spicy food. What colors does the teacher like? Blue and green. Composition. What would you do to cheer up someone who is feeling sad? What could you say, do, or arrange to make someone feel happy? In pairs, role play a few different ideas. Write about how you would cheer up somebody who is feeling sad. I would cheer him with smiles and laughter. I would pat with him on the shoulder or knee again and again and tell him some jokes and humorous anecdotes. Human touch has a healing power, and so has the company of animals and birds. I will take some pet along and made him talk to my pet or my pet to him. I will show him some beautiful pictures. Also, I will discuss with him his dreams. I will talk to him about his parents' love for him.